Welcome, sir. You are very much welcome.
Yeah, thank you very much.
This is Mr. Moses, and he's here to inspect our farm. So, sir, what do you think of our farm so far?
Yeah, so far so good. The construction, yeah, was well done, and it's it's looking very good. At least as I'm looking at it. So
Yes.
everything what remains now is just install the equipment for
Yes.
the pigs, the feeders, and farrowing crates, of course, from Big Dutchman, which I represent.
Okay.
And then you see how the day-to-day running of the farm will go. But with what I'm looking at, it's not bad. It's a very good construction. Then the gates also, I'm a bit impressed with the gate. So this for aeration and all that. So this is the finisher pen.
Yes.
This is the finisher pen. Okay. The waste management system.
They're going to clean up the place. I think today.
Okay. So look, but there's going to be like a seed here. Or is
Okay.
this how you're going to leave it?
Yeah, I think it doesn't really matter because I don't know. Or you think it will not be a good idea for
Yeah,
that
because
to be
if
open?
the pigs are walking around, their legs might
Okay.
enter.
Alright.
So one of
We'll
their hoofs might enter. So it's just better just get like a seed.
Okay, we'll take
Just
note of that.
close it up.
Okay, sir.
So then this is the shower system.
Yes.
Shower or the
If you want to see if it's, I don't know, maybe. Yes.
oh, okay. All of them don't have
Yes.
just the good that they see there. And you can pause it.
Okay.
Have like a farrowing area, a farrowing pen, a winner pen, and a finisher pen. And of course, you also need to have the pens that are going to do for meeting.
I'm listening.
For meeting.
Yes, I know, yes. We have a particular one.
Yeah, which are the pens for meeting.
Maybe we use the end now.
For meeting.
Yes, I know, yes. We have a particular one.
Yeah, which are the pens for meeting.
Maybe we use the end now.
The end
for
boas.
For boas, yeah.
If you have pens for boas,
Yes.
pens for guilt,
Yeah.
then pens where they're going to be mating, and then the farrowing pen.
Yes.
From the farrowing pen, the piglets after weaning, they will be moved
To the
next. Yes. So that's why I said it's always good to have designated pens designated for different physiological stages of the animal.
Okay.
Yes. So we know, okay, this is our boa pens. These two, I guess.
Yes.
These two, I guess, are going to be the boa pens.
Yeah.
These ones are going to be like the guilt pens,
Yeah.
or maybe when they are also pregnant, the gestation pens.
Yeah.
Then you have the farrowing pens.
But the thing is not always proper for the boa pen to be closer to the soils.
Right.
I think so that they will not be seeing the soils more often in case of mating.
No.
Because they might want to cross, like what they taught us.
If they are closer, when they are guilt, that's why I said guilt.
Okay.
The guilt is better to be closer to the that will also stimulate
the boas.
on the guilt, yes.
Okay.
So it will make the boa to quickly cross the guilt
Okay.
or the sow eventually.
Yeah.
So once that is done, that's why I said there will be another peg for gestation where they're going to be when they are pregnant.
Yeah, definitely. They will have a separate. When you're
Yes,
pregnant,
so
you take them to.
yes, but if they are still guilt, it's still better to be closer to the boa.
Okay.
So that will even better. So once it is done, once the boa has crossed the guilt and you have confirmed that it is pregnant, then you need to move it away from the boa.
Yes,
So that of course it will not be exactly. So that's what I'm saying. So then I also said something about this opening. I said it would be good if you can have something like a seed.
To what cover it?
Yes.
Just in case they want to wash it, they will open it.
Yes. Just in case you want to cover it. The reason I said that is, yes, you might say pigs, of course they are intelligent, but at times maybe when they are moving about, or maybe someone enters in terms of maybe trying to sample for
They'll
if
dig
they are
their
one of
leg.
their hooves, may
Break.
enter. Fine, it will not enter there, but if it enters, trying to bring it out, it will injure and cause lameness.
Yes.
So once lameness starts, you are beginning to, yeah, exactly. That will increase the cost of production in terms of trying to treat and all that. So if you want to get something to,
Okay, we'll do that.
to
Because
close,
he has cock, maybe most probably if it doesn't fit to expand the mouth so that it can fit in.
something is just
Okay.
close. Of course, when you are washing, it is good
Just
to
take the
open
lid
it.
off.
Yeah, exactly. But once you are done with washing or everything, just close it up. It can be something that also has holes that water can also. I don't know if you know what I'm talking
Yes,
about.
we can put hose on it now. I know.
So if you open to close,
Because he has cock, maybe most probably if it doesn't fit to expand the mouth so that it can fit in.
something is just
Okay.
close. Of course, when you are washing, it is good
Just
to
take the
open
lid
it.
off.
Yeah, exactly. But once you are done with washing or everything, just close it up. It can be something that also has holes that water can also. I don't know if you know what I'm talking
Yes,
about.
we can put hose on it now. I know.
So if you open the shower system, so even if it is closed, even if it is closed, but the water will still be able to urine and all that will also able to go. So it's good that you did next for security, flight and that and all that. So on Saturday,
Okay.
to do the installation.
On Saturday.
Yes. We'll be coming on Saturday to do the installation of the pouring crate and the feeder.
Okay.
Yes. So just let him know where we're going to
position.
Yes. The pouring crate will be facing the wall.
Okay.
So when of course we have two pouring crates, but we are going to be using it for many sows. So once the sow is coming, we just be anything like that. Once the sow comes out with the back.
Okay.
You understand? And of course, as time goes on, you'll be fine. This is kind of
Nipples. Drinking nipple.
this is for winners
Yes.
because this is too small for finisher. This is a finisher.
They have the same sizes.
No, this is not. Yeah, this is for piglet. Oh, I see this is for piglet.
Okay.
Well, that one is for this is for finisher. Definitely. These ones are for piglets. Maybe that one's supposed to be the nursery pen. Because with the eye.
We did some for the piglets, for the eyes.
Because for finishers, this height is too low. Yeah, definitely. Because normally their drinking position supposed to be they should raise their snout up.
Okay.
Not drink water, not like this.
Okay.
So if you have, except you don't want big finishers.
Why?
If you want big finishers, they should raise their head like this. So if you are talking about that, then the nipple drinkers should be somewhere this way, at this height, while the second one should be somewhere around here. Except,
can you give us the actual feet?
I will send it to you.
Okay.
We have a document that has different height for different ages of animals. I was saying I didn't know that I didn't even know that this had been done.
Okay.
Yes. So, but I'll send it to him.
Okay, so I will know the height,
the required height
height
for boas, because we have the required height for boas, we have height for builds, we have height for sows, we have height for nursery. Normally you always say between 30 to 40 centimeters.
Okay.
So this is okay for nursery. Nursery is like for winners. So normally you only have a separate pen for winners, a separate pen for finishers. But of course, for people, most times they use the same pen for both nursery and finishers. Exactly. So if you have that, you need to like vary the height. Yes, the height of the maple drinkers. But for this, if you cannot use this for a finisher pen, because of the height of this maple, they have to be putting their height down to the yes. Yes. So
just give us the height so we can work on it.
Yeah, I will do that. Okay. I will do that.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
I don't know.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah.
You are most welcome.
Yes, so the next time I come, I'll be hearing.
Definitely.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.